Hi everyone, this is Joseph from VRS Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the VRS design Terra Modern Go wallet case in black for the Z Fold 7. I need to give a shout out to VRS Design for sending these cases out to me for a review. Like we normally do my reviews to make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Can you wireless charge? How does the wallet look? How many cards you can hold? The overall feel, does it have bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I will have the links in the description so that way if you want to pick this case up, you can definitely do so. But let's get into it. I mean, this is their presentation. It says carry less, do more. So I want to do the wallet because I know a lot of people like wallet cases. So this is the first one. They are known for their wallet cases. They sent me out some other ones that are not wallet. So those are going to be down the line. I'm going to review them. This one does not have MagSafe because it does have the wallet. They made the built-in screen protector. So you have a tempered glass screen protector on there. You probably take this off with a hair dryer if you didn't want it on there. But then here's the case itself. It has the hinge protection. You can see, what does it say? VRS Designs on there. Then this is the wallet. Bam. It should hold about 3 cards in there too. Bam. So yeah, it doesn't have wireless, it doesn't have MagSafe on there. Now if you have cards in there, it probably won't wireless charge either, but you know, what can you expect for a wallet case? The inside is like a little soft material. Y'all can pause that and read it. But let's install. I'm gonna wipe off my screen. I know that cases fit tight. I'll just put this bad boy on there. So bam, there you go. Do you get lip protection even if you didn't have the built-in screen protector? Yes, you have lip protection all the way around. You also have camera protection there. Does it add bulk? Yes, this one is going to add a little bit more bulk to your phone because it is a wallet case. Now, is it too big, too bulky? No, because the wallet is like pretty much, it's there, look, bam. The vine rockers are easy to get to, maybe. Let's see. I opened it that time. If you have too big of fingers, it may have a little bit of problem there. Vine rockers, I can get my fingers in there too, not a big deal. You have indentations there, so it makes it a little bit easier. Everything lines up at the top. Everything lines up at the bottom. Let's see. My charging part works good. The overall fit, I mean, yeah, look. It's gonna takes a lot of work to get these off too, so. Look, it went flying on me. So yeah, it's going to take a lot of work to get these cases off of there. I might have to take off the back. Get it back on there. So bam. So yes, it fits really well. Now, it does have the hinge protection for you. So if that is important, then you know, it does have that protection there. It does cover up your display a little bit. Just wipe that off some. But overall, not a bad case. I like the feel in it. Yes, it does weigh a little bit more than your regular case does, but not bad. But VRS Designs is known for their wallet cases, so this is like you can go out, you can put a wallet in there, you know, your debit card, your driver's license, maybe a credit card, and go out on the town. When you go out, like shopping or even thing, use your credit card and just pay it off real quick. Don't carry your debit card, especially if you're going out to bars or stuff. Just a little hint from someone, you know, might work in the financial department there. So carry your credit cards just for security purposes. If someone jacks you, it's easier to block the credit card than your debit card. But yeah, you can go out of town, you can put some credit cards in there, your ID, and not worry about carrying a wallet. Man, so this checks off a lot of boxes. Hinge Protection is there. The volume rockers and the power button is there. Also, it works pretty good for you. Everything lines up at the bottom and the top. You got camera protection. You also have lip protection all the way around. The one thing that is missing, though, I didn't even try this out, but we can try it out now, is I know that it doesn't have wireless charging, so, I mean, no MagSafe. And can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge as long as you don't have any cards in there, so that is a good thing too. My charger's taking a beating. So, yeah, this is a solid case from VRS Designs. Stay tuned. I do have more cases from them coming up, and it's more like a MagSafe case, so stay tuned to that. If you want to pick this up, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.